syllabus of grade 7 of art and craft. Today's activity 1 is proportionate leaf drawing and shading. The material required is only pencil. So we have to observe this. What is proportion? This principle refers to relation between different objects or parts in work of art. So proportion, how we'll take of this leaf, we have to first observe it. This is the center line and both left side and right side are equal. So what we'll do is, we'll form a basic construction first here. We are using 3, 4 and 5 triangles. This is a basic construction. Same, I am drawing a center line here. Okay. Then I am drawing this construction of a triangle, first one. Then second construction. And then third construction here. Fourth and fifth construction. This is basic construction. Okay. You have to use your pencil very lightly. Now, as per this, I am following the drawing strokes. In the construction, like this, carefully observe and draw. Okay, now this part. Our one side is done. Now second side. Same way. I am just observing and drawing. It's not necessary. It should be like perfect copy of this. This is just a reference picture. Your picture should just look alike of what the reference picture it is. This is the end part. Okay. Same way I am doing it here. I am drawing a center line. Okay. And I am drawing a half circle both the side like this. Okay. So construction part first. And 2 half circles. Okay. Now from the top I am starting. First I am doing left side. See. Keep on drawing as you observe the reference picture. My left part is done. Now right one. Done. Now third. Same I am drawing here construction. I am drawing a circle here and a rectangle like this. See what I am doing? A circle here and a rectangle. Okay. So from here I am starting with some curved lines. Okay, then to this end and then coming here. Okay, the left one is done. Now right side. This one is done. Now fourth one. Okay, what I am doing? I am doing a cross here like this. Okay, now this is heart shapes which you have to draw. Keep in mind you have to use your pencil very lightly when you are doing construction and rough basic parts. Okay. Now in the center I am making a circle, and from this I am attaching the ends. Okay. So this basic is done. Fine. Now we'll come to a final part. Now I'm taking, if you're having any dark pencil you can take that, or you can use this in a dark shade. Just increase pressure on your hands so that you will get a dark shade. Okay. Now I am satisfied with my object. I am making it dark. Then you have to do pencil color shading. I am using first very light tone like this. Very light tone first I am using. Okay. Then here is some middle tone. So I am using here middle tone. Make it smooth. Don't hurry or else it will mess it up all. Be calm and do it very slowly and nicely. Okay, here is some dark portion. Okay, and these lines are dark, so I am using here dark shade. Like this. This is a dark portion I am using here. Okay. Then some lines of dark, I am using it here also. Very carefully observe the reference picture. So in this manner, these 4 different types of leaf you have to do it here. 2 I have shown, rest you have to do it by your own. This is the syllabus book for grade 7 standard of art and craft. If you have not got it, please go and collect it from your school.